Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video we'll show you what to do if your Fire TV remote is not working all of a sudden even after you have replaced the batteries. So to fix this, first turn off your Fire TV. Now wait for at least 60 seconds. After that, grab your Fire TV stick remote. Now you'll need to press and hold 3 buttons to perform the reset. You'll need to press and hold the menu button, the back button and the left D-pad button. Press and hold these 3 buttons for 15 seconds. Release the buttons after the 15 seconds and then remove the batteries from your Fire TV remote. Now wait for another 10 seconds and then put the batteries back in. Now turn on your Fire TV. Wait for a few moments and you should see a message that says the Fire TV cannot detect the remote. Once you see the message, press and hold the home button on your Fire TV remote for 15 seconds. Once your remote is paired, you should not experience any problems. If you have any questions about this, feel free to ask them in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe.